All right, guys, super excited for this one. Today, I'm going to do an unboxing review on my new 11-inch Android tablet. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, but let's go ahead and open it up and take a look of how this tablet works, functions, everything like that, and everything it comes with. Wow, this is very nice. Look at this screen. And it already comes with the case, so normally with any other tablet, you already know you're gonna have to spend extra money on the case. Now with this one, it already comes in the case, ready to go. And then you get the Type-C charger on here. It is a fast charger, so it'll charge up from 0 to fully charged in 3 hours, and it'll last you up to 15 hours on full active use. So really, really good. And then you get your user manual in here as well. So let's go ahead and fire up the tablet. The tablet does run Android 14 on it, so that should be the newest version out right now. Let's fire it up. All right, guys, so let's check this out. Just look at how nice those colors come off the tablet here. Really, really nice. So what's cool is that this tablet can actually use and run on Wi-Fi 6. So if you have that at your home, this is gonna be perfect. So it's gonna have like really good speeds on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect it to mine and let's try it out. All right, so I connected to the internet. So I'm just gonna go ahead and run through the setup, get all the updates done. That's usually what I like to do, is make sure it's up to date with everything that is out right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I went ahead and installed a couple applications on here, and as well as logged into everything, just so we can just speed that part up a little bit. But here's a couple things that I did wanna go over. So if we go to our storage, it does come with 128 gigs worth of storage already built in. Plus, you can expand it up to 512 gigs more. It has a slot right down here, and I'll just show it to you real quick, right there. So you can definitely add more storage to it. So I thought that was real neat. And then, like I did mention earlier, it has 8,000 milliamp hour battery built in. So with a 3-hour charge, you're gonna be good for like 15 hours on this bad boy. I've been using it just right now, like I said, installing all this stuff on here, and I love the display. Like, I really do like it. So let's go ahead and just try some of the features out. So like I said, we'll just do some of the more common ones, like if you wanted to use this strictly for YouTube. All right, so we'll just try one of these videos right here.
My biggest year as a salesperson,
we'll go ahead and expand it,
was about a little bit over,
and it looks really good.
2.9 million straight commission. My background in college was behavioral science.
One thing that I've also noticed is it actually has 4 speakers. So it's got 2 here and 2 here. Perfect for watching movies. So we can load that now, or watching shows. So I went ahead and loaded Peacock on here, and I'm just gonna show you exactly how everything loads on here. I was actually fairly impressed how fast and smooth everything was. Normally I'm very hesitant with Android products, but with this one, I was way, way surprised. So I didn't catch SummerSlam, so we'll just load it really quick just to see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like once it loads, and it sounds good too. What's awesome is because the battery life is so good on it, you can definitely like take this on long trips, and you don't have to worry about having to keep charging. Like I said, with that built-in battery, worry about this stuff dying. So that's one of the cool features. Like I said, you can watch TV shows and stuff like that, and it looks really good on here. And the other thing that I wanted to show was games. So like sometimes we know that some of the tablets can't handle some of the games. So this one was almost a 4 gig game. So I'm sure there's some that are bigger, but I just kind of picked one of the first ones that I saw in here. So let's go ahead and load it up and see how it looks and feels. All right, so went ahead and loaded the game on here. Look how good that looks. All right, let's try it out. Never played the game before, I just wanted to try it out. That is sweet. That is really cool. All right, and since it is an Android tablet, it does have the Google Assistant on here. So if I just say, hey Google, set an alarm for 8 p.m. today.
There, your alarm's set for 8 p.m.
And then it's done. And then the other thing that I also wanted to show on here, I also downloaded different games. So I mean, I used to play this a lot. but I want to show it to you on here on the tablet and how fast it'll actually load it, and just how smooth it is, really. And there it is. See, a super smooth tablet. And then one of the other last cool features that I want to go over was, and if you want to use this kind of like a Kindle style, if you want to read books, like it just looks really good on here as well. I do have a couple digital books on here, so I was just like, oh, I just wanted to see how it looks on here, so check that out. This would be really, really perfect anywhere that you take. So what's cool also is that this tablet has a 5 megapixel camera in the front and a 13 megapixel in the back. So let me go ahead and load it. I don't know how good it will show up on here, but let's just try it out. What I'll do is I'll take kind of like a selfie as I'm taking this video right now, and then I'll upload it right over here so you can see it. All right, and then I'll also do one with the back camera. What's cool is because the tablet is so big, it does have this feature right here. So this whole thing is a button. So you don't have to try to reach for like a small button. This whole piece right here is a button. Makes it really, really easy. Go ahead and do it this way. All right, and then I'll put that photo here so you can check it out as well. So as you can see, this is great for kids, this is great for work, this is great for if you just want to have fun on it, like I said, or entertainment. So many things that you can do with it. Like I said, it already comes with the case on here. The camera's awesome. The processor on here is awesome. 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, and with the expandable slot, 4 speakers on the sides, 2 and 2. Really, it does everything that you need. I'm normally an Apple guy. With this exception, I actually really did enjoy this tablet. So if you're looking for a new tablet, definitely get this one down below, and highly recommend. 10 out of 10.